Welcome back to my channel, Gorgeous Graphs. This is another finance-related video for education purposes, but there will be many more coming. You are going to see here the growth, or I should say in this case, the decline of the portfolio value of an initial $10,000 investment over 4 decades. Capital gains taxes are being neglected, although with an average 0x1% annual return rate, it shouldn't have a huge effect anyways. On top of that, for the simplicity of this example, zero volatility and a constant return rate were assumed, which makes the displayed graph look this linear compared to how it would actually look like in the real world, with many temporary up and downs. Furthermore, an inflation rate of 8% is used for this simulation. Such inflation values were seen fairly recently when COVID-19 hit, and also for some years afterwards. This will show what extreme influence it would have on your savings if it is not controlled to manageable level of 3%. The animated chart clearly shows a gigantic loss of buying power of the initial investment and explains why high inflation will clearly show how crucial it is to be invested into something that will decrease the effect of it or even make some money. The shape of this line chart almost shows something like a reverse compound interest effect. And as always, the shown principles apply no matter what currency is being used. The decline will be the same, but the buying power is most likely different. If the initially invested amount is 10,000 euro or 10,000 yen or 10,000 pound, or in any other currency. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'm sure you will like my future uploads too. Please subscribe and give the like button a tap. Peace out.